We're about to start this adventure to the, whatever the hell you call this, Black Beach Trail, starring Jamaica Robinson,
Why just put my government out there?
Inity Robinson, Zion Robinson. This may be my final broadcast as we enter the thing that scared the crap out of me and Jamaica the last time. As you notice, it's a drop off of the abyss. But we're gonna pretend like there's a green screen on my right and it is all fake and it's Hollywood while I venture down. Maybe I better strap this on in case I fall. Or I have to grab on and I won't lose the GoPro. I think I'm hyping it up more than... I'm hyping it up like I did that cereal milk. And you see where that ended me up at. Not as high as I should have been. But we're definitely high now. Oh shit, where is that? Yeah. Oh, it's seeming different up from up here, ain't it?
Who, me?
Yeah.
I'm not scared. Scared of what?
That's a great thing. That's a great way to think. That's the dumb way. I mean, motherfuckers is just going over it like nothing, so we better follow them. Alright, this is it. It says stay the fuck back on that side.
Can I lock the book bag?
Nah, you gonna fall, man.
Fall with your book bag? How? I'm not gonna fall. Just let me wear it. I'll feel more secure with this book bag on.
Why is that gonna make you feel more secure? And my drone is in this bag, so you can't bounce it around.
Come on, we out.
Ready? Man, I'm already knowing it. I don't remember entering from right here.
Oh, I say danger. Oh.
Yeah,
Oh,
see?
yeah, that's the shot you want, right?
Yeah, this is it.
Oh, my God.
Look at that beach down there.
Hey.
Yeah, we did. Here, let me go first, man. Look at that old man doing it down. You alright? It's going down. It's going down. Oh shit, I don't remember this. That thing was that steep? See, this is where it was fucking with me at.
Oh, we made it all the way down there.
Ooh, this feels slippery. Be careful. That guy, let me worry about this GoPro, man. Worry about being careful. You. Go left. We're going left. Oh, alright. Now you see what I mean? Shit. Of course he would take that trail. You alright? Here's where I tried to take the drone off after we got shook. Alright, you don't want me to go first? Slow down, man. I don't like how fast you're going down. Ah, see, I can't look to the right or I'm gonna stop again. They went down and over that damn cliff. Left. Alright, we can get over this part without looking to the right. Why that old man stop? He ignored it.
Where did we stop?
Yeah, we stopped right where he's at. Is where we stopped. All right, I think he's taking a picture. Hey, you want me to go? Alright, I'm going slow as shit. Yeah, this is crazy. Yeah, this is why